Hello everybody, welcome to my video training. Today I'm going to talk about the Etherchannel concept and configuration on a Cisco switch. The reason why we use Etherchannel is to use the bandwidth smartly. It is to enable to bundle like up to 8 links on a switch into a single link. Like you see up here, those two switches have 2 links, and if you know about the spanning tree protocol, the spanning tree protocol is going to block one link in order to avoid the loop. But by using this Etherchannel concept, we can bundle these 2 links into one logical link called Etherchannel. And the switch will treat that Etherchannel link as a single link. And those 2 links now will be seen as a single link. Even if you are doing a show command for the spanning tree state, you will see that the link will be treated as a single link. So that's the benefit for using Etherchannel, because it's not like if I have, for example, in this link 100 megabit speed on both link. If I bundle these 2 link, it doesn't mean that I'm gonna have 200 megabit speed link. What it means is like I'm gonna be able maybe to do like what we call load balancing. Like if a PC, if I have 2 PC on this side, if they send information on this side up here, they may be using different link, and that way I'm going to be able to load balance between the link through the algorithm of Etherchannel. But a lot of people think once you bundle those 2 links, you will have, like, if I have 100 megabit on this link, if I bundle this link, I'm going to have a 200 megabit speed link. That's not true. What I'm going to have is I'm going to have a 200 megabit link available, but I'm not going to be able to use it once. Like if a PC send, like let's say if a PC on this side send want to download something or want to send a file up here, the PC is going to use only the 100 megabit link. But the benefit I'm going to have, if I have a second PC sending another file or downloading a file, that PC may be, through the algorithm of Etherchannel, use the other link. So that's the benefit of Etherchannel. But don't think like if you bundle the Etherchannel, you will have the addition of those speed link. Because I see a lot of people when they teach about the Etherchannel, they say once you bundle the link, you will have the speed, like the added, you can like add those speed of the link, and it's going to be like if you have a 100 megabit on this link, if you have 2 link that is bundled as Etherchannel, you will have a 200 megabit link speed on the Etherchannel link, and that's not true. So in order to do the configuration, I'm going to be using Cisco Packet Tracer. In this demonstration, I'm going to go right now to Cisco Packet Tracer, and I already have, I'm going to make a simple demonstration for this Etherchannel concept, because we need to be basic, You don't need to go to the complex stuff about Etherchannel, because you need to understand the basic first. So once you have those basics on your belt, the rest of the configuration of Etherchannel and the more advanced stuff about Etherchannel will be easy to understand. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain you like there is two protocols that you use for the negotiation of Etherchannel. There is this protocol up here called LACP. This is actually a standard protocol, you know, and it is used for the negotiation of the interchannel. There is another protocol that is called the PAGP protocol. This PAGP protocol is a Cisco protocol, you know, so it is a proprietary protocol. It is only it doesn't work on the non-Cisco devices. So you have to keep in mind that if you don't have Cisco devices on your network, you may go with LACP, you know, because this is the standard protocol. Or if you want, you can use this mod up here, because you have like three options to configure Etherchannel. You have the option for using LACP, and LACP have two modes. The option for using PAGP also have two modes, and this third option up here is the mode we call on. Like you're going to be enabling Etherchannel without using the negotiation protocol. And what active and passive mean about LACP? It is like active. I already did write it down up here. It means when you configure the port as an active, when you configure Etherchannel as active, that means it initiates the negotiation. Passive means waiting for the negotiation to come. So if you have both sides configured as passive, you will never have an interchannel link on your switches. But if you have passive on one side and active on the other side, you will be able to have an interchannel link. Same thing apply for PAGP, this Cisco protocol up here. If you have desirable and auto, desirable means is similar to active in LACP, and auto is similar to passive in LACP. So desirable, if you have one side configured as desirable and the other side as auto, you will have an interchannel link. If you have auto on both sides, you will never have an interchannel link. So if you have desirable on both sides, you will have an interchannel link too, you know, because this means that the PAGP packet are sent on both sides. You know, if you have desirable means you are sending a PAGP packet, and auto means you are not sending a PAGP packet, but you are waiting for somebody to send you a PAGP packet, and you're going to reply. So that's what it means. LACP means is the same thing too. Is similar to PAGP. Active means that you are sending LACP packet, and passive means you don't send LACP packet, but you are waiting for somebody to send you LACP packet, and you're going to reply. That's what it means. So I hope you understand. Because this is the fundamental concept you need to understand before you go into the configuration. And if you want to go like without using those two protocols, you can use this third option up here, the mode on. That means that you are using interchannel without the negotiation protocol. So the configuration is straightforward, very simple. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go to the switch and show you how to do the configuration. Like you see up here what I was telling you, this is spanning tree up here. The spanning tree is blocking this link up here, because otherwise we're going to have a loop. But by using interchannel, spanning tree will treat these two links as a single link. So there will be no port block, no port will be blocked, because the link will be considered as a single one. So and what I want to emphasize too before I go to the configuration is the interface configuration must be the same on both sides. So what I mean about that is a lot of stuff that go to the interface configuration. I cannot name all those things, but I name a few, like the native VLAN, the VLAN configuration stuff like trunking and stuff like that, speed, duplex, STP configuration. All those things has to be the same on both sides. Otherwise, the interchannel link will not form. it may form, or one link may go down, you know, because what I'm going to tell you is, if I configure this side as an interchannel link, if one link has a problem, that link will be taken out from the bundle, and you're gonna be left out with one link. So just keep that in mind. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go to the switch 0, and I'm going to show you where we're going to start the configuration. Actually, let's look at let's label the interface. Up here we have FA0/2 and FA0/1 on the top up here for the switch. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go to switch 0. I'm going to go to switch 0. I'm going to go to enable conft, and I'm going to do interface. I'm going to configure the interface range, you know. I'm going to do it by single, one by one. I'm going to do FA0/1. FA0/1. I'm going to do Etherchannel. Let me see this thing. I'm going to do channel group. That's what I need to do up here. Channel group. I'm going to do channel group. And let's use the help system. And you see up here the switch, you can use up to like 6 channel group link, you know. So some switch may have a number that is high, but this is like a low end switch, you know. So it is a 2900 switches, you know. So I'm gonna go with number 1, and I'm gonna go like what I was telling you, the mod, and I'm gonna use the mod active for LACP, you know. I'm gonna go active, and that's it, you know. I'm gonna exit from here. I'm gonna do interface FA0/2. I'm gonna do the same command. I'm gonna do mod active too, you know. And I'm done with this side up here. But one thing I would like to let you know about is what I forgot is you have to configure the interface as a trunk. Otherwise, the interchannel may give you problem. So this port up here need to be configured as trunk, you know. They need to be configured as trunk. So I'm gonna go to FA02. I'm gonna do switch port, mod. I'm gonna put a trunk. And I'm gonna exit from here. I'm gonna do interface FA0/1. I'm gonna do switch port mod trunk. And you see I have the trunk configured, you know. And I'm gonna go to switch 1. You see the interface I going down right now because I'm doing the interchannel configuration, you know. So I'm gonna go to the command line interfaces here. I'm gonna do enable conft. I'm gonna do interface FA0/1 channel group 1 mode. This one I'm going to put it passive, passive, because I want to show you something, passive, and that's it. And I'm going to do switch port mode con. I'll go to this one, and I'm going to go to FA0/2 interface FA0/2. I'm going to do switch port mode con. I'm going to do the channel group, and to come back up, because it was a problem with the negotiation. But you have to keep in mind that we are on a simulation environment, so we are not working with some real end devices. That's the problem too. So you have to keep that in mind. So let's go to the switch up here and do the show IP interface with the port channel. Yeah, we have the port channel, but it's still down, So the port channel is down, line protocol is down. You see it up here. This is odd, So let's go to the running config, and I'm going to do show run, and you see this interface fast internet FA0/1 and interface fast internet 0/2. I don't see the configuration for the port channel. It looks like that's the default configuration, because so let's copy this guy up here. Let's copy it, and let's bring it up here. That's what we have for the switch up here, switch 1, sorry. For switch 0, you have to go, let's go and check the running configuration for those interfaces, show run. And we have channel group 1 mode active. So let me copy it up here. So what I'm going to need to do, I'm going to just do the same configuration, because I was thinking with the passive and active, passive on what side, passive on one side and active on the other side should be fine, but it's not working, So we have to find a way to solve this problem here. So that was this is for switch 0. Sorry, that's for switch 0. SW0. This guy is the configuration for SW1. Okay, let's now go to this guy up here, SW1, and let's do a configuration again. Config I'm going to do interface range, so make it a little bit faster. Range FA0/1 through 2. I'm going to do no channel group 1 mod passive, not passive. Okay, so that's what I put in default. So I'm going to do that one, and I'm going to do channel group 1. I'm going to just put mod active, mod active. Okay, now it's creating the channel port. You see now the LAN protocol is up. So you see your with Cisco packet tracer, you have to learn something. You know, there are some, I don't know if this is a bug from Cisco or, but this is the problem, you know. So now you see we have the LAN protocol is up now, right now, you know. So let's go back and do the show interface port. So interface, let's do some interfaces, you know, because I just want to see it for the interfaces for the port channel, you know. It's going to take a while, but let's see if we want to see interface, the port channel interface. And I think you can see the port channel up here. So let's do show IP interface here. Show IP interface grid. And now you see the port channel now. It's a port channel 1. It's up. The LAN protocol is up. So let's do this command up here. Show channel Etherchannel summary. So now you see we have a little bit summary up here, because this is packet trace, we don't get a lot of details, but just keep that this is working right now, you see, and this is the port that are bundling, you know, FA0/1 and FA0/2, and we are using LACP, you know. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go back to the other side, and I'm going to try to do conf t. No, I'm going to do the show command, sorry. Show IP interface diff. I'm going to go down to see the port channels. And you see the port channel is up right now, you see? LAN protocol is up. So let's do this command up here, show Etherchannel. That's the command, only command we need to do the verification, you know? Summary. And you see this, we have the two interfaces and the LACP protocol up here. So let's see how they send those LACP packets, you know. So we're gonna go into simulation mode up here. But I don't know why this port is going red, but you say port channel is up. That's the bottom line, you know. So let's go and try to see if we're gonna see some packet going. So those are this LACP packet, you know. So let's open the LACP packet and see the details up here about the LACP packet, you know. There is some information, you know. Okay, this is actually a layer 2 protocol, you know. And only have like source and MAC address because I don't have IP address configured on this switch up here. And actually, this is the information it's going to use in order to make this link, this interchannel link work. There is a lot of information up here, you know, about the MAC address, the LACP version, you know. There is some stuff, but those all these things I let you do your own research, you know, and find out about more information about this info, you know. But just keep in mind that you can have you can use two protocols: LACP for the standard protocol and PAGP for the Cisco protocol. And if you don't want to use those two protocols, you just go with one, and that's it. So that's basically you know, it is a simple configuration, but you have to understand the concept. The concept is always make sure interface configuration must be identical, must be the same on both sides, you know, otherwise you will run into trouble. And let me tell you something, once you have Etherchannel configured on your network, there is not a lot of maintenance or a lot of work to do after that, you know. But the difficult part is getting the interchannel work in the first time, you know. That's where you have to focus, you know. But the configuration for Etherchannel is straightforward. It's not like something that you need to, you know, to be like a nerd, you know, to configure this Etherchannel link. So I hope you guys learned something from this video, and I would like to thank you for watching. And I will see you for my next video. Thank you.